Welcome to our learning unit on drawing welding connections. This section will guide you through accurately representing various welding types in drawings, ensuring clarity and precision for welders and fabricators to follow the design intent effectively. Understanding different welding connections is crucial. You'll learn to draw common types like filler, butt, and corner welds. Using correct symbols, such as triangles for fillet welds, ensures accurate representation in technical drawings. Welding symbols are vital for conveying details like weld size, length, and placement. Symbols below the reference line indicate a weld on the near side, while those above indicate a weld on the far side, ensuring clear communication. Dimensioning is key in welding drawings. Include precise measurements like a 6 mm fillet weld, 100 mm long, ensuring they fit the drawing scale without cluttering. This precision helps in maintaining clarity and accuracy in technical drawings. Sectional views are essential for showing internal details of welded joints. They reveal aspects like root gaps or reinforcement sizes. Hatching patterns help differentiate between base metal and filler material, enhancing the drawing's clarity. Adhering to welding standards such as SAB 0441 is crucial in drawings. These standards ensure that the connections meet industry requirements, making them easy to interpret for fabricators and ensuring the quality of the final structure. Accurate drawing of welding connections is fundamental for executing designs correctly. This skill ensures strong, reliable structures and is essential for producing high-quality technical drawings that convey precise welding details effectively. Thank you for exploring the art of drawing welding connections with us. Mastering these skills ensures clarity and precision in technical drawings, leading to successful fabrication and strong, reliable structures in the welding industry.